Hi everyone, I'm Michelle Wyatt and I'm a librarian at the Northeast State Basler Library, and this presentation is designed to help you choose and narrow your topic. While you're in college, you'll be given many assignments. Some of these assignments will be with a group where you work on a task with others, but most of your assignments will be ones that you work on independently. Sometimes an instructor will assign a specific topic to you, but most of the time you'll need to select a topic on your own. It may be a topic about subject matter that is being discussed in the class, a subject that interests you, or maybe a topic that you chose and was approved by your instructor. But what do you do if you don't know what you want to write about? Or what if you have a topic, but it seems too extensive to cover? The best place for you to start is in the library databases. And here are three that we will look at: Opposing Viewpoints, SIRS Knowledge Source, and Academic OneFile. To get to the databases, you'll begin at the library website, and then click on the Databases option on the right side of the screen. At the left side of the screen, you'll see a heading that says Broad Coverage Databases, and underneath that, you'll see the three databases I mentioned. If you click on Opposing Viewpoints, look to the lower right and click on Browse. And a list of topics will come up. And you can see there are many topics that you may consider. Next, if you choose the SIRS Knowledge Source, you have the option of picking Trending Topics, Editor's Pick, Topics by Subject Area, or all leading issues. Similar to Opposing Viewpoints, if you want to see a wide variety of topics to consider, you could click on All Leading Issues for a list of potential topics that may interest you. The next database is Academic OneFile. With this one, you will need to browse by discipline to see a list of topics pertaining to a subject. Once you choose a subject, you'll see a list of more narrow topics in that subject area. But what if you still are not sure what you want to write about? There are websites available that can assist you. Here's the address for the website Idea Generator. When you get to the site, you can select a category from the left side of the screen to see a list of topics. Or you can try Britannica's procon.org and also search by category. So what happens if you choose a topic but it seems too broad for your project? Honestly, there are some topics that are just way too big to be covered by a single project or research paper. However, if you use one of the databases we have discussed, then it may not be too difficult to narrow your topic. But how do you know if you need to narrow your topic? In reality, most students will need to narrow their topic somewhat. Keep in mind of what your assignment is and how long your professor wants your project to be. The topic of war can't be covered in detail in only 1,000 words. But then again, you probably can't discuss orange rinds or peeling an apple for 12 pages either. Here are some steps to help you narrow your topic. First, start out with a broad general topic, then break it down into categories by asking the 5 W's and the H. Here's an example. Who? The American space exploration. What? Manned space missions. Where? Moon exploration. When? Space exploration in the 60s. Why? The quest to leave Earth. How? Rocket to the moon. Now consider some of these questions to generate ideas to narrow your topic even further. What were some of the problems the astronauts faced? How did they overcome them? What were the motives for the space race? What were the long-term effects on the group? Who were the members of the group? Who ultimately benefited from the endeavor? And who was responsible for it? And finally, refine your ideas by considering the SOCRAPR model, which is SOCRAPR. With the S, what are the similarities between the moon mission in 1969 and the planned 2009 Mars mission? For O, opposites. What were the pros and cons of the first mission to the moon? C, the contrast. What were the different opinions about the cost versus the benefits of the mission? R, relationships. How did it affect the astronauts' relationships with their families, the scientists on Earth, and the NASA family itself? And A, anthropomorphisms, or interpreting reality in terms of human values. For example, seeing it as the final frontier. Personifications, giving objects human qualities like the eagle has landed. Or R, repetition, more missions. What are some of the attitudes about landing more astronauts on the moon? One final way you may refine your topic is if you type in a topic in the database, you can get ideas of how to narrow your topic even further. Opposing Viewpoints and Gale both have these options. Finally, if you need help, you can always contact a member of the library staff by calling, emailing, or sending us a chat. Chat is available when a library staff member is on duty during our open hours. And if you need more in-depth research assistance, you can schedule an appointment with a librarian at your convenience. Always remember that the library staff is here for you, and we are happy to help you with your research. Good luck.